Hello everyone. Today we are very excited to present the nation digital networks and also known as Jendela. And this initiative aims to transform Malaysia by promoting digital inclusion and bridging the digital device. So let's explore how the Jendela is shaping our digital future. And we have three person member, which is Lo Kai Swan, 299199. And me, Lin Yang Jian, 300212. And also the last is Lilian Hao, 300417. To start, let's discuss the challenge of digital exclusion. This occurs when individuals lack access to technology, the internet of the or the necessary digital skills, limiting their participation in the economy and society. So to address this, Malaysia has launched Jendela in August 2020 as part of its 12th development plan. And this initiative is a major step towards ensuring no one is left behind in our digital transformation journey. So Jendela has three primary objectives, which is enhancing digital infrastructure, expanding network coverage and speech, and also integrating 5G technology. And these goals are crucial because, as the COVID-19 pandemic highlighted, our digital infrastructure must able to support growing demands. And Genderlab supports Malaysia digital inclusion and economic development agenda. So Genderlab is being implemented in two phases. The phase one from 2020 to 2022, that is focused on expanding mobile broadband coverage, improving average internet speeds, and also enabling access for 7.5 million users to gigabyte telecommunication. So in the phase two, which began in 2022, is addressing connectivity gaps and deploying innovative solution like uh, fixed wireless access to ensure seamless integration. To achieve its objectives, Genderlight emphasize several key initiatives. First is expand access by introduce affordable broadband plans and providing device subsidies and also establish community Wi-Fi center. Second is promote digital literacy through skill training for economically disadvantaged group and it also empowering them to participate in the digital economy. So the general impacts is already visible across various sectors. In education, is enable e-learning opportunity, and in healthcare, it support telemedicine and digital health service, and in e-commercial, it facilitate a greater market participation. So strategically, Jendela has strengthened Malaysia digital transformation agenda and drive economic growth, and also making our nation more inclusive and connected. Next, I will be presenting an analysis of policy and strategy with a focus on Malaysia's Jendela initiative. One of Jendela's key objectives is to improve 4G mobile broadband coverage to 96.9% by the end of its implement phase. This goal is critical in extending digital connectivity to underserved regions and ensuring that even rural communities can access reliable internet service. And these initiatives also prepare the groundwork for 5G, which can be essential for future technological advancement. So the general success hinges on the collaboration with the government, private sector, and local authorities. By working together, these stakeholders can maximize the resource and investment. and also reduce the unnecessary duplication of infrastructure and make the broadband access more affordable for all Malaysians. So to ensure affordability and accessibility, Jentera support economically inclusive policies such as device subsidized initiative, establish a community internet center in unresourced area, allow a resident without phone connectivity to access the internet and participate in digital economy. So digital inclusion is about more than just connectivity. It also requires digital skill and literacy. And Genera address this by supporting initiatives and at school children, women, and also under privileged group. So by enhancing digital literacy, this program enables citizens to adopt and to thrive in digital era, contributing to growth, education, and quality.
Hi, my name is Rock Haixuan. So now I want to present the challenge and the opportunity for the Zendaya. So for the challenges, okay, first about the digital literacy deficit. This is because the inadequate numeracies and the literacy skills and the lower level of the digital literacy and the literacy excludes such as client not ably in the rural area and from the older generations, even would be connected individual using internet may lack the applicabilities, counseling for the educations, employment and financial service among the others. And then second is about the infrastructure gap, uh, because this is a large of part of rural and the remote region of the Malaysia still have not access to stable internet connection because of the high prices and the technical challenge. So some of the areas such as Sabah and Sarawak pose problems of terrains in accordance with the establishments of the broadband and mobile networks since the two regions are not so densely populated. So these have all prevented many people from being in the connection to the digital world and service due to the digital device is continuous. And then last is about the affordability issues. For the chance to effective learning, low-income households are still unable to afford the internet service or the digital device. Lack of the access to new technologies such as the high subscription charges and the cost of acquiring smartphone, tablets, or the computers are other barriers to access the digital technology by the under the privately group. Okay, so next is about the opportunities. So first is about the healthcare improvement. This is because the expansions of the telemedicine service provide those digital accessibility may help improve the rural people's healthcare by eliminating the time and expenses related to the consultations and improve the access features can be utilized in the disseminations of the healthcare educations and applications. So for the second is about to access to the educations. So for the increases access is the beneficial for the students in the areas scarce to and allow the participate in online courses, work with the online materials, be engaged in the virtual lessons. This closes the education gap and make sure that the learners get the good chance in their educations. So last is about the social inclusions. This is because for the new technologies give the voice and the opportunity to the excluded people, women, and the elderly and disabled to participate in the social, economy, and the cultural area. The technological advancements make it easier to the people to come out and be active members of the society. So now I will pass to my group member.
Hi everyone, my name is Li Lian Hao, metro number 300417. I will continue to present the policy recommendations to enhance digital inclusion. First, strengthening the universal service allocation framework. The government must require the telecommunications provider to raise the affordability of the broadband service in the underserved rural and remote area. In order to deliver the goal, the state could give some subsidy or the company could get tax discount in the infrastructure deployment cost market. For example, the Telecom Malaysia and other operators can be given additional subsidy to construct fiber optic network in East Malaysian state like Sabah and Sarawak, where connectivity is currently very limited. The second is introducing tiered broadband pricing. The government should introduce affordable broadband plan that can be tailored to income level to ensure that lower income family can also have access to broadband. The government can sponsor non-governmental organizations or private sector organizations to provide wireless telecommunications service to lower income families. The third is promoting digital literacy and skill development. National programs should focus on building digital skill among marginalized communities. The Malaysia Communications and Multimedia Commissions (MCMC) could set up community internet centre and provide free digital skill training for adult and senior citizens. This facilitates utilizations of digital service for them. Next, strategy recommendations. First, expanding rural connectivity projects. Projects infrastructure rolled out need to concentrate on rural and underserved areas through the use of the latest technology. For example, satellite link technology provided by Starlink can be introduced to remote areas such as Orang Asli villages, where traditional connection methods are difficult to reach. The second is promoting smart device accessibility. Inexpensive smart gadgets can be made accessible through collaboration with the manufacturer. For instance, providing trade-in plan and giving subsidy for basic smartphone can help make device use affordable, with the purpose of getting mobile device to folk in low-income groups like B40. The third is promoting local content creation, promoting the development of platform and application that are adapted to community needs. For instance, smallholder can raise their income through online trending of locally made and unique product via a hyper-local e-commerce platform. In conclusion, the National Digital Network Plan, Jendala, is an important step toward the digital inclusion of Malaysia, solving the digital gap that has kept in existence across different urban and rural regions. The project is concentrated on the improvement of the broadband infrastructure, expanding the 4G coverage, and building a 5G infrastructure, while also keeping it affordable and accessible by ensuring the necessary fund through the subsidy and community programs. By addressing these challenges and leverage opportunities, Malaysia can ensure equitable access to digital resources, improve social well-being, and drive economic growth through digital transformation.